Dennis and I are having a great battle here for third.
Very familiar pastry.
Hello folks, I'm Netcruzer RC. I'm at Crestwood RC Raceway for the AMAIN Challenge in the Eastern Triple Crown Race 2 of 3. So we're going to go at mains. We have just finished our third qualifiers. E-Truggy. I did try 2 different tires throughout this qualifying day. The start of the day I tried J Concept Reflex and Soft. It was okay, but it was getting hard to rotate the car. So then I've changed it to a slightly harder compound, which is a Sweeps Carbide-T. I ran this at Bego and I liked it. The center bar becomes more of a bar and the car has more rotation speed, so I am liking it, and we're going to go out in the mains with this tire. All right, here we go for the A1 E-Truggy main.
Also posted, guys, at the bottom of the driver's side.
Be starting in P5. Yes, P5. With the I'm going out with the Sweeps Carbide-T's. Starting in P5. I got to get up there. I just did a back. I just finished my A1 E Buggy, so I got to get back up on the stand. And of course, I don't have a great position. I like being over there, but I can also drive all right from here, so I'll try it.
One full lap and we'll get to the back straight.
Okay, practice lap with the Truggy.
Alright guys, bring us to the back straightaway. Yep.
Oh.
Coming up right now. So be John Kennedy. John Kennedy, move up a bit, yep. Then
Okay.
Dennis Gray.
Okay, I got the starting fork now.
Joseph. Corey. Brad.
All right, during this video, you see the orange, yellow, and yellow wheels. He's my neighbor here right beside me with the sombrero, so we'll see if we can stay ahead of him. It's going to be tough. He's fast sometimes.
Marshal's ready, driver's ready. It's time of the song. Nerves start to get a little high. Oh, Tim Burke needs some help.
All right, good start.
A top start. Oh, also in the front, 3rd or 4th place. All right, guys. Underway. E-Truggy.
Oh, I opened up that. Open the door for Dennis.
He will come out on top. 2 lanes to decide it.
Oh, way offline. I'll let him have it.
Somebody help out Mean Green. Somebody help him out. There we go. Take it easy, yeah. Take it easy, yeah. You're good. Find me, yeah. Your leader wins. Logging last 30.4. And last time by. Adriano in second. Dennis Gray up to 3rd. Then it's John Kennedy, Joseph, Corey. Finberg up to 7th now. Dave Turcott, Pete Elphinstone, Brad, and Mean Dean. These 2 bump ups driving together coincidentally. The 9th and 9th. They try to make their way through. I think a sleeper for this race is none other than Tim Burke. Tim had a rough start, but you know he's going to try to make up some time. Kick that back off. Let's see. Can he do it? Also, Joseph, always fast. He's going to try to make his way up to the top 3. But right now, that final 3rd spot is held by Dennis Gray himself. Oh, unfortunately, took off.
Oh, that's a rollover for Dennis. Whoa, don't hit it. Hit him a little bit.
Here we go, right?
Okay.
Mean Dean, his last time by 35-1, his best of the race. Broad Frog also his best off the race last time by 34. Lighting up green here on the screen. 5 minutes to go in AMAIN number 1 E-Truggy. Up next, Pro Nitro Truck, AMAIN. Up next, Pro Nitro Truck, AMAIN. Ooh, Joseph getting along on the front side. Ben Burke getting by him. That's going to put him up to top 5. Very important to get some good points here out of this first race. Oh, point, nice. Take it easy. Almost took out your leader.
Whoa.
Caution till you come off the truck. Here's truck for others. Sorry, check. Up next, Williams on the left side of the track.
Dennis and I are having a great battle here for third.
Very familiar pastry.
Whoa.
9.8 over Adriano. With that neon yellow and gray back. Standing in third. And
Oh, it hit the lip
that's the
stop.
battle for that third spot with 3:15 to go. Kenny in that white and green and gray and that yellow orange front. Gray part of the Crestwood RC team. It's been a pleasure being out here today at this wonderful facility. And the rest of the crew do an amazing job getting this thing looking in tip-top shape. And for the main, the grip starting to come up. Starting to fill.
Yeah, that was, man, that was good. Yeah, that was great.
Almost finished. Race picks up 10, 2:30 to go.
You'll reel me back in.
Your leader, Justin Williams, minute 40. He's coming to the backside right now, yellow and green. He's beside Joseph right now. That is your leader. Thank you. In second, Adriano. In the back with the gray, yellow front. In third, John Kennedy in that green and white. You know, John not too far off of Adriano. He's just making a mistake. Tim Burke, I told you, here's the attack there. He's closing in. 1 second is the gap. That's the battle for third on the left side of the track. 1 minute left. 1 minute to go. Tim Burke, red and white. Pete, if you can give him some space, thank you.
Sounds like I'm going to have Burke pressure me for third in the last minute. Oh, yeah, he's right there. Oh, he...
Battle for that third spot. Ooh, and Tim making a mistake. What's going to happen? 40 seconds. Watch the double-double. Watch the double-double. Dennis also gets by. 30 seconds.
Oh man, so with the back-to-back AMAINs, I did not catch the end of the Truggy because this GoPro overheated. They no longer have a roof on the driver's stand, so just cooking out there for 20 minutes overheated the GoPro and I wasn't able to capture at the end, but I did finish second in that race. Adriano, who was in second, crashed out on the last lap. I was able to get by him, finish second. So A1 second. We'll see after the end of the race day what I did in A2 and the final results in Truggy. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you aren't subscribed, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.